Hello, I'm Eddie Farah, and you're watching The Legal View. Who doesn't love a good Florida Gulf Coast oyster? Unfortunately, it's not uncommon that within a couple of days after eating them, you could end up deathly ill in the hospital as a result of blood poisoning from an infection that you contracted from the bacteria called Vibrio Vulnificus. The FDA has known about this bacteria for years, but has failed to take steps to protect people. The FDA has failed to adopt the safety standard to control these deadly bacteria, even though the technology is available to eliminate or reduce this bacteria while preserving the texture and flavor of raw oysters. At this time, there is no safety standard that requires companies to reduce the bacteria to non-detectable levels. The bacteria thrives in the coastal waters and is found mostly along the warmer waters in the Gulf Coast. The amount of bacteria rises during warm weather months when just one oyster can contain enough bacteria to make someone seriously ill so that they require hospitalization. According to government records, blood infections from the consumption of bacteria have killed 300 people between 1990 and 2010. You become more vulnerable if you have diabetes, liver disease, or a compromised immune system. In addition, this bacteria can prove fatal if you don't visit a doctor within 72 hours. A lot of those who survive must undergo amputations and face long-term negative complications. There is presently a case pending in the Federal District Court in D.C., which, if successful, would require the FDA to take an active role in making oysters safe for human consumption. Thank you for watching The Legal View.